Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. If you're trying to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger, firstly open your Messenger app, and after that you need to select the menu in the bottom right. So once you get into this menu, you need to select the setting in the top. So over here from the setting, you need to select privacy and safety. So over here you can find this end-to-end encryption chats. Select that end-to-end encryption chats. So over here you'll find this message storage in the top. Select that. So here what you need to do is simply select turn off automatic uploads on the bottom. And that is it. This is how you can remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below.